Hi guys, it's Sonja. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating these tiered trays. I have two of them to set up and I want to decorate them in winter decor, but one that I can keep until spring and Easter and maybe just add a hint of Valentine's in a little bit. I didn't go out to buy any new things, just trying to use up things that I already have in the house. I'm going to go through each tray as I'm decorating and hopefully it will give you tons of ideas for your own trays. Everything here on the table is what I'm hoping to use on my trays. I know that I won't be using all of the greenery, but it's here anyways. As you can see, it's very neutral with green, whites, and some concrete and wood for textures. This tray I typically use in my kitchen, so I like to keep things on it that are almost kitchen related. So once I had everything cleaned up, I decorated it, starting off with my Ray Dunn scoop and pour, I think it's called. These little 2 cups are actually ceramic and I picked them up at Dollarama over Christmas and I was hoping to use them at Christmas time, but I never actually did, and I think they look absolutely stunning on this tray for my winter season. These tins that kind of look like a miniature milk jug are actually herb containers, and I thrifted those a couple years back and I've been using them in my tiered tray decor ever since. And then I follow with adding some greenery just to add that pop of color. I decided to add this crate. This crate actually was a gift card holder from one of the adventure rooms and you had to figure out how to open it, but I love the way it looks on this tray. And then I followed with these little round balls that I picked up at Dollar Tree, I think, and just to add that extra texture. So I had this vanilla bean candle holder left over from Christmas. It has a very wintry scene on it. I mean, more of a Christmas scene is what I meant to say. So I ended up putting a end of a sleeve sweater that I used in a DIY project from my DIY channel, and I dressed it up. So here it is, and I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I do have to find the lids for those herb containers. I'm missing 2 of them. I think they just fell out in the bin. Now moving on to my 3-tiered tray, the first thing that I do with it is clean it just like the other one. I start with adding these concrete bookends that I DIY'd last year, I think. I can link the video in the description box over from my DIY channel. I have 2 of them and they are owls. They were garden owls with lights in them, but I use them as bookends and now I'm reusing them in my tier tray. The next thing that I add is this bead garland with tassel that I DIY'd last year as well, and I will include any DIYs in the description box for you to check out if you wish to. And I also added the owl, the concrete owl, and then some greenery. And then I have this crystal candle holder which fits perfectly on these tier tray, but it did not have any tea lights to put in there, so I just added one of those white balls from Dollar Tree. They're like twine balls. I have been using this home sign for almost all of my seasonal tier tray decorating. It's almost included in every single one of them. I think I even used it this year in my Christmas one.
Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you.
Then I start filling it in. I use some succulents. Now I went with the darker color succulents just so it looks better with the winter decor theme rather than a bright one which has more of a summery feel, spring summery feel to me. And then I added some pine cones and some more greenery and some of those more of those balls. Last thing that I wanted to add were these stainless steel can opener and wine stopper. It's a deer with antlers, and I think I thought originally it would look good, but I had to play around with it until I kind of reached the look that I was going for. And I kind of wanted to cover it up a little bit so it doesn't, you can't see that it is a can opener and a wine stopper.
Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. I feel I never let you go now. When you're looking like that, can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine.
So here it is. I think it turned out exactly what I was going for, and it's going to look great on my family room, in my family room. So this is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new and want some more Decorate With Me videos. I have tons on the way. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you here back on Monday for more cleaning and organizing inspiration.